Here is the part 2 for chapter 1 computer language. In this we'll discuss about language translators. Language translator. A translator is a programming language processor that converts a computer program from one language to another. It takes a program written in source code and converts it into machine code. It discovers and identifies the error during translation. A translator is a program which helps to convert the program from one language to another. Language translator is a program that converts the source program into object program. First of all, we should know what is the source program and what is the object program. Source code, the program written in any language, is called source code. For example, if you have written a program using any language called C, C++ or Java, all these programs written in these languages are called source code. Object code would be the converted form into binary. For example, any program written in C language will be converted by the translator program. The converted form of that program is called object code. There are three types of translators. The first one assembler, then compiler, and third one is interpreter. As we have studied in the part 1, assembler is a translator program which converts the assembly language into machine language. We will discuss once again in the next slide. Assembler. Assembler is a translator used to translate assembly language program to machine language code. The machine code can be directly understood by the CPU. Always remember, assembler is the translator which can only convert the assembly language program. Any program written in assembly language can be converted by assembler. Interpreter. Interpreter is a translator which is used to convert high-level language to low-level programming language. It converts the program one step at a time and reports errors detected at once. While doing the conversion, then the next step goes. Let me give you an example. For example, if I or your mother teach you a recipe, for example, to make a cup of tea, she will give you a step-by-step instruction. For taking a pan, you will take a pan. That means execution is done. The second step, she will say to pour you to 1/2 cup of water. Until and unless you pour a water, the third step will not go on. Same way the interpreter works. One line at a time executed by the interpreter, and the output is generated for first step. Then the next step goes. If any error occurs in the program, you have to detect the error, correct it, and then the next step goes ahead. There's now compiler. Compiler is a translator used to convert high-level programming language to low-level programming language. Now there are both interpreter and compiler are used to convert high-level language to low-level language. Now what will be the difference between these two? Let us understand. The compiler converts the whole program in one session and reports errors detected after the conversion. For example, in the previous slide, I gave you the example of the recipe of a cup of tea. Now, your mother was telling one step at a time, and you were executing that. But instead that, if we listen the entire recipe at once, then we are executing. That is the work of compiler. The whole program is converted at once, and then the errors are detected. But in the interpreter, the line by line execution was going on. It translates high-level code to low-level code all at once and then saves it to a memory. See the figure. All high-level source code means a program written in high-level language. Compiler is a program that will convert this source code into object code. Object code will be in the binary form which will be understood by the computer. Thank you. Hope you